In part 2 of the pantry project, we build out all the adjustable shelving and add the trim. Stay tuned to see how we did it. I chose to use 1/2-inch MDF for these shelving cabinets, mainly because they finish well and they're relatively low cost. I'll be using pocket screws and glue to fasten these pieces together, but also some screws for structural strength and some brad nails to hold things all together also. We tackled these adjustable shelf cabinets in kind of 3 different sections: the uppers, the lowers, and the corners. So these are the uppers, and we used this adjustable shelf pin jig from Craig Tools, which I highly recommend if you're doing a lot of adjustable shelving.
Take 2!
That's much better. Much better.
Now that the uppers are done, we turned our attention to this corner piece that goes from floor to ceiling. We started installing this piece first, and then installed all around the room based on this piece. We found the studs in the wall and attached decking screws through the back supports into the studs. Now it's time to work on the other corner pieces. Fast forwarding about a week, we got everything installed, the uppers and lowers, and painted. Nothing special with the paint other than we primed them first and then used a high gloss paint to stick up to the wear and tear of the adjustable shelves. This is where we started adding the trim pieces and trimming out all the MDF. So that's it for this one, guys. Stay tuned for part 3, where we put the finishing touches and install the walnut countertop.